Morning dear students, welcome all in maths class. Today we are going to start our exercise number 5.6. Exercise number A, find the product. These all sums are with a carry over. Let us see this. 2 4s are. First we have to start with our ones position. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now question number 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 zeros are 0. Whenever we are multiply with any number to 0, our answer is 0. 3 3s are 9. So answer is 9063. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, next 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Next number 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 6 number. 8 4s are 32, so put here 2. 3 we have to carry over on the tens position. 8 6 are how many? 48. 48 plus 3, this carry over we have to add. So 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So put here 5 is the carry over on the 100 position and here 1. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So put here 3. 1 we have to carry over. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So what is your answer? 9312. Okay. 7 number sum. 6 zeros are 0. 6 4s are 24. So put here 4. 2 we have to carry over. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. So put here 8. 3 we have to carry over on a 1000 position. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Now 4 9s are 36. So put here 6. 3 we have to carry over on a tens position. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is equal to 35. So put here 5. 3 we have to carry over on a 100 position. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 2s are 8. Here 4 zeros are 0. Whenever we are multiply with any number to 0, our answer is 0. And this 0 plus 3, because this 3 is on carry over, so 0 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Here 3 is the answer. So answer is 8356. Okay. Next sum. 7 6 are 42. So put here 2. 4 we have to carry over. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So put here 3. 5 we have to carry over. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. And 7 1s are 7. So put here 7. Now question number B. Find the product in your notebook. That we have to find in our notebook. Let us see that. Okay. In the notebook, exercise number 5.6, find the product. Okay. 5 4s are 20. So put here 0. 2 we have to carry over. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2 47. So put here 7. 4 we have to carry over. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 34. So put here 4. 3 we have to carry over. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8470. Okay. Now next sum. 8 6 are 48. So 48 8 here. 4 we have to carry over. 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So put here 8. 6 we have to carry over. 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 8 ones are 8. So your answer is 8688. Next sum. 5 ones are 5. Then next position tens. 5 sevens are 35. So put here 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. So put here 5. 3 we have to carry over. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 twos are 10. So what is your answer? 10,855. Fourth number sum. 4 5s are 20. So put here 0. 2 we have to carry over on a tens position. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So put here 0. 10. So 1 we have to carry over. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So put here 3. 1 we have to carry over on a 1000 position. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Answer is 5300. Then next sum. 7 6 are 42. So put here 2. 4 we have to carry over. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. 7 zeros are 0. So put here 0. 7 3s are 21. So put here 21. What is your answer? 21,042. Next sum. 8 2s are 16. So put here 6. 1 we have to carry over on a tens position. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 1 73. So put here 3. 7 we have to carry over. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7 15. So put here 5. 1 we have to carry over. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9. Answer is 9536. Next 7 number. 5 6 are 30. So put here 0. 3 we have to carry over. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 5 twos are 10. So put here 0. 1 we have to carry over. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. So what is your answer? 21,080. 8 number. 3 6 are 18. So put here 8. 1 we have to carry over. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 zeros are 0. And 3 5s are 15. Answer is 15,048. So these all are about our exercise number 5.6. Now let us see our exercise number 5.7. Before that, multiplication of 3 numbers. Our topic is example 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. So first what we have to do? We have to make a group of 5 and 2. 5 and 2 and 4 we have to write as it is. That means 5 2s are, first we have to multiply by 5 2s are 10. Then after multiply by 4, so 10 4s are 40. So your answer is 4040. Now exercise number 5.7. Find the product of the given numbers in your notebook and multiply by them in any order. Okay. So this we have to see in our notebook. Let us start that. First question is 5 6 7. So first we make the group of 5 and 6. So 5 6 are how many? 30. Okay, 30 multiplied by 7 we have to put as it is. Okay, so 3 7s are 21. What is our answer? 210. Okay, this is our first number answer. Now second number 4 3 2. What we have to do? First we have to make the group of 4 and 3 and here we have to put 2 as it is. 4 3s are 12. Multiply by 2, that we have to put as it is. 12 2s are 24. Then next sum 3 5 2. First we have to make a group of 3 and 5. Then 2 we have to put as it is. 3 5s are 15. 15 multiplied by 2 we have to put as it is. 15 2s are 30. Then next fourth number. First we make the 2 and 9s group and 3 we have to put as it is. 2 9s are 18. 18 3s are 54. So write here 18 3s are 54 is our answer. Next sum 2 6 5. 2 we have to put is it is because here we are making group of 6 and 5. That also do. Okay. So 2 as it is we put and 6 and 5 multiplication answer is 30. So 6 5s are 30 and 2 30s are 60. So our answer is 60. Now 1, 3 and 7. We make the group of 1 and 7. Yani ki first we write 1 multiplied by 7 and left value is 3. We put here as it is because in the definition they told multiply by them in any order. So we write in any order. 1 7s are 7. 7 3s are how many? 21. So answer is 21. Okay, then seventh number sum 3 2 7. So what we have to do? First we make the group of 3 and 2 multiply by 7. So 3 2s are कितना होता है? 6. 6 multiply by 7. So 6 7s are 42. Our answer is 4 2 42. Okay, whenever answer come at that time try to make the box on it. Okay. 210 and 24. Last sum 7 8 9. First we make the group of 7 and 8. Then after next position 9. So that we put as it is. 7 8s are how many? 8 7s are 56. 56 multiplied by 9. So first we have to multiply by 9, 6 are 54. So put here 4, 5 we have to carry over on a 5. 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. Our answer is 504. So this all are about our exercise number 5.7. Students, do it in your notebook and also try to your own self. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.